Hello!
Kia ora.
Kia ora tātou.
We are the
Retro Poets.
We're just going to sing another waiata for you today.
I'm not waiata.
This is our kaupapa, which is about finding old poems and turning them into new songs and giving them some new life. This is by Carl Strobel from Christchurch. It was written in 1930.
Way back.
And yeah, he passed away in 1959, so it would be great if he was alive to hear, but hopefully he has whānau recognise some of these things.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
So I should go.
Yep.
2, 3, 4.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, they ask me. They ask me what I see. 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 Whether it may be to find out earth's infirmity, or way two shadows fall in lines across the wall that man may write. They ask me what I see, or if there's only night and I have turned hope underground. They ask what answers I have found. They ask what answers I have found. What care I, what questions come? Dust with velvet fingers smooths the pain of things unlovely. While the raindrop lingers, the wind stirs above me. What care I, what questions come? When all the road is done, they ask me what I see. 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 But I don't know, but I don't know. 'Cause I'm on this quest one time, I think. What care I? Dust runs by and raindrops falling from the leaves are like fire. Calling, calling, it's breaking waves of pattern down the pyre. Your dreams growing old. What care I? Dust runs by and raindrops falling from the leaves are like fire. Calling, calling, it's breaking waves of passing down the pyre. Your dreams growing old. They ask me what I see. 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 I'm on this quest. I'm on this quest. I'm on this quest. They ask me what I see. They ask me. So that's by Undersong by Carl Strobel from 1930.
Beautiful lyrics.
Kia ora.
Awesome.